Today I will show you some cool techniques that will raise your images to the next level in Photoshop. Hey guys, this is Umair Fida from Final Edit YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Open your image in Photoshop. You can simply drag and drop your images. Right click on image layer and click on duplicate this layer. Here you can rename it whatever you want. Now click on adjustment layer icon and choose photo filter. Choose cyan color from drop down menu and set its density level around 20 to 25, depends on your image. Second step is choose color balance from adjustment menu and decrease cyan highlights and midtones. You can also increase some blue tones. Let's jump to the next step. Again, select photo filter from adjustment menu and this time we will use blue filter and move the slider according to your image. The last step is very important. Click on adjustment button again and choose channel mixer. Select red output channel and decrease green, and then select green output channel and decrease red value. You can also add some exposure and offsets if you want. Let's jump to the second example. And now you don't need to repeat all these things again and again. Just unlock this layer and drag all adjustment layers to your new images. So guys, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.